Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a delicious carne asada, a classic and beloved dish from Mexico that is perfect for any occasion. With a few simple ingredients and some time, you can make a tender and flavorful steak that will be the centerpiece of any meal. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 5 pounds of flank or skirt steak, 1 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 cup of lime juice, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of Worcestershire sauce, half a cup of chopped cilantro, a quarter cup of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, salt and pepper to. Step 1. Prep the steak. Start by cleaning the steak, removing any excess fat or sinew. Then, score the steak on both sides with a sharp knife, making shallow cuts about a quarter inch apart. This will help the marinade penetrate the meat more easily. Step 2. Make the marinade. In a large bowl, combine the olive oil, orange juice, lime juice, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, cilantro, garlic, cumin, chili powder, paprika, brown sugar, salt, and pepper. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Step 3. Marinate the steak. Place the steak in a large, resealable plastic bag and pour the marinade over it. Make sure the steak is completely covered in the marinade. Seal the bag and place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or overnight if possible. Step 4. Grill the steak. Preheat your grill to high heat. Remove the steak from the marinade and shake off any excess marinade. Grill the steak for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side, or until it is cooked to your desired level of doneness. Use a meat thermometer to ensure that the internal temperature reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Step 5. Rest and slice the steak. Remove the steak from the grill and let it rest for at least 5 minutes before slicing it against the grain into thin strips. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Serve the carne asada with warm tortillas, salsa, guacamole, sour cream, and any other toppings of your choice. Enjoy the tender and flavorful steak with your family and friends. That's it for our carne asada recipe. We hope you found it helpful and that you give it a try at home. Don't forget to let us know in the comments how it turned out for you, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.